How to underline text in a PDF. Have you ever found yourself trying to highlight important information in a PDF document but felt overwhelmed by the options? Let's break down how to underline text in a PDF, making your study note-taking more effective. Underlining is a fantastic way to emphasize key points without changing the original content. This can be especially helpful when you are reviewing materials for classes or exams. To start, you need to open your PDF in a PDF editor or reader that supports annotations. Some popular choices include Adobe Acrobat Reader, PDF Gear, UPDF, and PDF Agile. Once you have your PDF open, look for the annotation or markup tool. This is usually represented by an icon labeled Underline or something similar. You can find it in a toolbar under options like Comment, Annotate, or Markup. Next, highlight the text you want to underline. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired text. If you are using a touch device, simply tap and drag your finger over the text. After selecting the text, apply the underline by clicking the Underline button. You will see the selected text now has an underline annotation. Many PDF editing tools allow you to customize the underline. You can change the color and thickness to fit your preferences or to categorize your notes visually. This is a great way to organize information by topic or priority. Once you are satisfied with your underlining, remember to save your PDF to keep those annotations. For example, in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you would open the PDF, select the Comment tab, choose the Underline tool, and highlight the text. The underline appears immediately, making it quick and easy. Other tools like PDF Gear offer free online services where you can upload your PDF, select the Underline tool, and apply it directly in your browser without needing to install anything. If you are using a mobile device, applications like UPDF provide similar functionality. Open the PDF, tap the pencil or annotation icon, select Underline, and mark the text with your finger. From a study strategies perspective, underlining in PDFs is a smart digital note-taking method. It allows you to mark important concepts quickly without needing to print anything. You can maintain a clean, searchable document while using color-coded underlines to organize your notes. Combining underlining with other annotations, like highlights or comments, can create richer study materials. Since underlines in PDFs are annotations layered on top of the text, they do not alter the original document. This preserves the integrity of your source material while making your reading and review process more active and engaging. Underlining is a flexible and efficient tool for effective study note-taking, making it easier to focus on what matters most in your studies.